We are in Glendale this afternoon and we found this stone barn nature center that has been around for a very long time that we decided to explore. Lots of trees here as you can see, and this is the entrance. It's all made out of stone, and this is what the place looks like from inside. As you can see, it has a very high ceiling and lot of things here to see. Let's start here. This is the place where people and nature connect. So this is one of the walking paths here that you could take to explore. A little bit of information here. Where mountains meet the sea. Let's look on the other side here. So there's a lot of information and movies here on the type of climate here and the wildlife. Let's see what this one is. Very cute, isn't it? We see some butterflies here. Birds. Different type of birds here. Look at those two. And these are the names of the birds that are here and the animals. That is a ground squirrel. Should be, oh, fox, gray fox. That's a close-up. Fox, squirrel, gray fox. And I see some birds up there. More birds here. More squirrels. So these are all the animals here. Bobcat, that one is a huge, big bobcat. I see some smaller animals down there. Types of bobcats. See a snake there. California whip snake. Chipmunk, hawk. what caught my attention was this guy. Nice big animal there. And then this one, not so scary. Hello there. That must be a mountain lion up there. Big mountain lion. And this is where we are. Nice paths here. Very interesting. Except there were there are always bear sightings here, so I'm scared of the path. Some more things to see here. It looks like a rattlesnake down there. And let's go down the steps here. See what we can find. There's a lot of information here on winemaking, history on it. If I'm going too fast, you can always stop, pause, and see. So there is the history here of California in this area. All the way from 1873 to 1883 to 1886, 1905, 1920, 1933, 1937, 1968 and 1988. So that's like a history wall there. Let's see what this is. So that's a wine press. Nice view outside. Again, that's the ceiling here. See some kids playing here. More wine stuff here, wine making stuff. And this looks like a kids area here. And when you go outside, there's a nice view here of the vineyards and very cool air. Even in the summer, it's very cool here. Look at that view outside. And the air, oh my God, the air feels so good. Really nice. And that is the building from outside. It's all made out of stone. Little bit information here. Wilderness Park, city of Glendale. Who are the Tongva? How do they live? What happened to them? So it's a bit of history there. I do like vineyards, I have to say. And there are, you can see some walking paths there. Mountains in the back. And you see some summer blossoms here on the side. Pine trees. So that is the nature center here for this park. And outside, that is the parking lot. People park here and then they walk around. The trees are really, really tall here. Very tall trees.